Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clear your Instagram search history. So first of all, just open the Instagram application in your mobile and then tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. And then you can see the options in the bottom magnifying glass or the search. If you click on the search on the upper right here, you will see all your search history, right? Now how to clear your Instagram search history? To do that is you will see these recent searches, right? So now beside that recent you will see all. If you click on that, you will see all your search history here, all the accounts that you have searched. So to be able to clear that, on the upper right you can see this option clear all. Just tap on this clear all and again tap on this clear all. Now your search history will be cleared. You may still see the accounts you have searched as a suggested result, and basically there is no search history, and that's how you clear your Instagram search history. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.